It's the new mothership. Welcome to Monday Nitro.
Toss your remote away. There's no reason to channel flip with the Monday Nitro we have planned.
This show is looking way better than last week's Thunder.
Making his way to the ring from Punjab, India, weighing in at 347 pounds, the Great Khali.
Guys, what better way to start the night off than with this one?
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
Oh my God!
This is what I'm talking about.
Look who's in the house!
And his opponent, accompanied by the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels, from Detroit, Michigan, weighing in at 317 pounds, Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
One of the all-time greats in WWE history, Big Daddy Cool.
One of the best big men of all time, Big Daddy Cool, looking to wreak a little havoc.
The swag, the saunter, there is only one Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
Byron, hearing you use the word swag somehow makes even Big Daddy Cool less cool.
I thought it sounded fine.
This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one.
Kick to the gut. Caught in leg.
Headbutt to the back of the neck. Nailed it. Oh, backing it up. Oh, what impact.
Attack to the midsection. Oh, man.
Things not looking good for Diesel.
He looks incredibly motivated, though. Don't expect him to be down for long.
Looking to lock it in here.
There's no way he's giving up now.
And he escapes the submission.
And good thing, that could have been disastrous.
Right across.
On, he dodges out of the way.
plants him.
Nicely done.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Knee stomp.
That'll ruin your leg.
Showing off some of his speed there. When this guy's on, look out.
Looking for the exclamation.
What a strike.
Can he finish the job?
Nobody does it better, Michael.
Yeah, I don't believe that he didn't win this match right there.
It's way too early. He's not going to like this. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Here it comes. He's got him. Diesel's going for it.
Jackknife powerbomb.
This just might be enough for him to take the victory.
Digging deep for a kick out.
Not yet.
You gotta believe this one's over.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
What? Wait a minute. You gotta wear your opponent down. Find that little weakness that could help you end up with a victory. Shoulder tackle.
He's looking very overwhelmed out there. And I'm not sure he even knows where he is.
I'm not sure he has much left.
All this demoralizing damage to Diesel. How can he get the upper hand here? His hopes of winning this match appear to be dwindling in a hurry.
I'd never count this guy out, but I'll tell you what, he's not looking so hot right now. He's really going to need to find a way to get back in this thing.
Man, he was making it look easy there for a moment, which is pretty impressive considering who he's in the ring with.
Both of these superstars looking a little worse for wear right now.
Oh, right to the face.
Well, that's one way to surprise an opponent. Eludes that one. Oh, he's such a tough target. Oh, he's got him here. He's got him on a sidewalk slam.
Oh, he is finished.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Diesel had
Punch right to the face.
This one's over, guys.
He's got him covered.
Diesel scores the victory.
That match deserves another look. Here we go.
These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
A potential situation brewing here.
Can't wait to see what this is all about.
I think business is about to pick up sooner rather than later.
Running hip attack. What impact.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Kick to the gut.
He's amped up, that's for sure.
He might have.
What a strike.
He's in complete control now. I get it. It's a cool move. But again, really?
Now Diesel doing whatever he can